Well, it looks like what we've been reporting on is absolutely true. Let's dive into my computer and we can see here how, yes, the banks are using this new Fed program and we don't know who's using what, just as we thought. All right, let's dive into this article, and this should surprise no one. Banks take advantage of Fed crisis lending program. So surprising. Here is the important information we need to know. But of course, the most important information we need to know is who is taking from this loan, this bank term funding program. We don't know that, though. Let's see what the article says, though. It says financial institutions took billions in short-term loans this week from the Federal Reserve as the industry copes with a serious crisis of confidence and liquidity, the central bank reported Thursday. Utilizing tools the Fed rolled out Sunday, banks looming for cash infusions borrowed $11.9 billion from the Bank Term Funding Program. Under that facility, banks can take one-year loans under favorable terms in exchange for high-quality collateral. Most banks took the more traditional road, using the Fed's discount window under terms slightly less favorable, with borrowing rising by $148.2 billion for the week. The discount window provides loans of up to just 90 days, while the BTF term is for 1 year. However, the Fed eased conditions at the discount window to make it more attractive for borrowers in need of operating funds. So this loan program update shows us that they are starting to use the money of the long-term 1-year option that they set up $25 billion for this backstop program. We're already seeing close to $12 billion being used. Now, this is a new program that was set up Sunday, and today is Thursday. So it's moving pretty quick. Things are happening fast, and interest rates are still rising. I wouldn't be surprised to see the Federal Reserve next week raise interest rates by 25 basis points. So how's that going to affect the market? There's a lot that still is unknown as we head into this crisis. For these more short-term funds, which it looks like we had well over $100 billion taken out. Yeah, $148.2 billion taken out since Sunday. This is a more short-term, 90-day process. But how many of these banks may still need liquidity after the 90 days? This is far from over, and we need to monitor this closely. But this is the most important factor that we've been covering on this channel for a while. Why don't we know who's taking what? That's just not disclosed information. We know why they're doing it, but wouldn't it be good to have this information so that we can know how many banks are taking these funds? What's going on? Is this way bigger than the banks that we've been told about? How many banks are involved in this? This is important information that we, as the American taxpayers, who, by the way, will be funding this. Oh, it's not a bailout. It is a bailout. We will be funding this. Depositors will be paying. We will be the ones with the tax bill. I appreciate you joining me for this video. If you would, subscribe to the channel and check out future videos. Thanks so much.